Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so shocked right now. These are the new looks for the makeup trend for 2026, and I am completely blown away. Okay guys, so they are applying this gold eyeshadow, which is so beautiful. I mean, it's like really bold and it stands out and it looks really good on her. And they're doing the blush. I love the blush technique as well, and the lips. And then they're going to use that same makeup as a bronzer, and this is working. It's beautiful. I love it. I love this makeup look, and they nailed it. Okay, transformation. We're doing something a little different today. So I've been seeing all the gold makeup trend for 2026 all over the runways. Yes, the one by McGrath. And I had to try it for myself. So, but you know me, we're not just going to stop at Runway Glam. I'm flipping this look into something everyday wearable for women who still want that glow from 9 to 5 and after. So I created this trend in this live photo of me. Trust me, we're about to break it all down, from the gold lids to my favorite 3 lip combos. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we're going to be recreating this makeup look of me. So I'm going to use 2 eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use my affordable, it is called Give Me Gold. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite palettes that I use. I have 4 different ones. It is by Ivy USA. So it's by Red Kiss, Ruby Kisses. They have their own brand. So these are the colors. They are beautiful. And they have a mirror inside. Yes, I done dug all the colors out, so excuse me. Then my other one is a little glitter. So I'm thinking about adding a little bit more glitter. Yes, I have dug these out too. I know I gotta get me some more. So we're gonna use these 2 eyeshadow palettes, and I'm also gonna be using my Misha that Cardi B advertised, which I do love, and it blends with my skin. You don't even know I have it on. And we're finna get into it. So let's go. I'm gonna take this color here. It's called Legacy, and I'm going to go, like, I want to say above my eyelids a little bit to the outer corner of my eye, like in the picture, because this is mostly a go to work easy makeup gold trend. So we're going to do like this. We're going to go in the inner and outer corner, back and forth slowly. You don't have to do too much. And then next, which I'm going to get, is my regular little eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to use the color, it's called Money. Money, money, money. So I'm dipping that in, and I'm just going to go across my eyelids, as you guys can see. And it is giving that beautiful gold look. Bam. And that's all you need to do. It's very easy, and it's not hectic at all. And that's all you need. This is the everyday woman work look. My absolute blackout. And this is a eyeliner, and it costs like $2.99. So I am going to use this. Now, I don't think YouTube have these products online. What I will do is leave the links. So if you're interested in purchasing and want to recreate this look of your own, I definitely will, in the description. So we are going to hold our lashes down, right? So I usually start in the outer corner, but I like to start in the inner corner, so I like to easily come around. And I just kind of drag it. I'm not trying to make it all dramatic, but I'm just doing it like that, just a little bit. And make sure I get to the lashes at the bottom. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Bam. Now, this is the absolute natural look ever. Now, if you're afraid to wear lashes, no big deal. Sometimes you gotta give your eyes a break. So I usually wear lashes, sometimes I don't, so no worries. So I use this bubble mascara, and I just apply it and just do a little bit. You don't have to put a lot. And I usually put some towards the bottom just a little bit carefully. That's it. I don't try to put a lot of makeup that I don't need. So, and it's basically just a natural look. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna just do my Misha, because I think if I go ahead and put the makeup down there, it's gonna wipe away. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my Perfect Cover Serum. It's like a BB cream. All you need is a little bit. I'm just going to apply a little. And this is in the color 41. This looks just like my skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it with a little bit of a lighter concealer to make it more balanced, because I have like a warm undertone. So I'm going to use my Kiss Full Cover Concealer. This is also by Eye Envy as well. And this is called Classic Tan in the number 332. I'm just going to do a little dots here. And which I'm going to do, I'm not going to use no brush. I'm just going to use my fingers. So, or my finger. So I'm just going to blend it in. As you guys can see, how it just blends right in with my skin tone. And I'm really not going to put it all down, because I'm just really applying it here. And that's really about it. That's it. You see the difference. Makeup, no makeup. Color Legacy. And I'm just going to go underneath here. Like on the picture. And just do it like that. And it's just very simple. It's very easy. So this is the technique. So I hope you guys did enjoy that. You guys ready to do the other side? Okay. So mostly for the night out, for the ladies, we like to be mysterious, we want to look exotic, and we want to just like be our best selves. I'm going to be using my Nicka K Matte eyeshadow palette, and this is like $3.99. And I'm going to use the color black. This is the only eyeshadow palette that I have black in. I know it's sad, right? So I'm going to use this color black. And I am going to do like this at an angle. Now you can use tape if you're afraid to mess up. But don't be afraid. It's okay. You can always go back and clean it up. So I'm winging it out a little bit. I'm going to come back in just a little bit. I don't want it all over. I'm just doing it in here. And then I'm going to go back in with that same gold eyeshadow. Okay? And that eyeshadow is called Money. So we're doing that. All right, and then we're going to use, again, an eyeliner, and we're going to wing it out. So we're going to do that. Okay, then I'm going to go back in with my black. I think I've got enough black eyeshadow, seem like. So I'm just going to go back in, kind of buff it up a little bit, because you know it's supposed to be mysterious. So you have your date night. This is like brunch and going to work day. So this is just mostly nighttime. And then I'm going to use my gold eyeshadow palette I got from Amazon. And I'm going to just apply a little gold for the nighttime. So you know, you want to go out with your girls, or just going out on a date and you just want to put a little shimmer on, you can. You know, look all dolled up and beautiful. So this is the look, you guys. So we have here we have the everyday look, going to work or going to brunch. So this look more natural. You can apply lashes, you don't have to apply lashes. And here is, this side is for nighttime, like you're going out with your friends or you're going out on a date, you know, with a special guy or whoever your choice. And this is the look. So I'm going to finish this side. Right, I'm going to add a little. Just want to show you guys a little of what's going on. And then I'm going to add some of my concealer once again. Kiss Classic Tan. Blend that in. And that is it. So that gives it a sassy look. But now we are going to go back in, use a little bit of black eyeshadow, go underneath the eye a little bit. I am using a small brush. So it's kind of giving you that mysterious look. And I'm just going to do that. This look, so you can wear lashes. I'm just not gonna wear lashes. I'm gonna take them right back off. But you do have that. You do get the idea. I'm just doing without lashes because everybody's not comfortable with wearing lashes because of the glue, which I do understand perfectly. So I love this. This is good. So this is date night. Oh, it doesn't matter which brand you're using. I'm using Lulu, something, it's like $1.99 that I'm using. I'm just using it to outline my lips so you guys can get an idea of what to wear with your natural makeup. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses brown sugar. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my Ulta Lip Rose Hip Oil. This is just regular lip gloss. You can use any type of lip gloss. Used to be $1. It's $1.50 now. So just gonna apply that there. And this is how you achieve your natural lips, which is called nude lips. If you're going to work or just brunch, that's all you need, a flawless nude lip, which go with this look here. Now, if you're looking for a night out, all you need is some burgundy and red mixed together, and it gives you the perfect sassy, bold, and confident look. So I'm going to use my burgundy Ruby Kisses Velvet Matte Lip Cream. Really like a lip gloss, but it's a cream. So I'm just going to use it to outline my lips. Okay, so I'm just going to use that to outline my lips. And then I'm just going to do that together. And I'm going to use the color red. It doesn't matter which red you use. You can use a dark, you can use a lighter red. But it doesn't matter. I'm just going to do that. And you have the perfect burgundy look. All I need now is my gloss. Once again, so this one is really bold and loud, excuse me. It's pink. Now, I'm not gonna do no whole pink lip because I'm not gonna look like no clown. So what I can do, I'm gonna use a brown lip liner because that picture they got with me is that's not right. No, I'm not gonna play myself. I'm just gonna use a brown lip liner once again to outline my lips. But since this color is a little bit bold, but it's also cheeky, flirty as well. So I'm going to use my pink. Okay. And I'm just going to do it like that. Okay, so it's kind of like a Alright, transformation, that's a wrap up today's runway to real life look. We took the matte McGrath gold makeup trend straight off the runway and turned it into something every woman can wear, whether you're head to work or glowing up for the night. I hope this inspired you to add a little gold magic into your everyday routine. Let me know in the comments, which lip combo are you rocking? The soft nude, the glossy gold, no, not the glossy gold, the bold burgundy, or the glossy pink. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for next week's trend transformation. We're keeping the glow going. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay confident, and keep transforming. And so if you guys want another one, get this video up to 100 views. And I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.